Hello friends, good morning. Today we are heading to Kyatanmakki and this place another name is Gali-gudda. Let's continue journey and on the way I'm going to explain you about the route map how to reach to this place. Let me brief on the map how to reach to Kyatanmakki Hill station. First start with Kalasa. This is a famous temple area as well as Horanadu temple area. There is a small junction. If you take a right turn, you will reach to Annapurneshwari famous temple. We have to travel left. So from this junction and this left road goes to Sringeri, another famous temple location. From this junction, if you travel 6 kilometer, so you will get a small deviation to the left. So this will start with the off-roading. From this deviation till Kyatanmakki, it is approximately 2.5 kilometers distance and it requires a jeep to travel on this track, and another mode of transportation is we have to trek. So in between we have a check post and there we have to pay 50 rupees per person. So this is about the route in short. Let's continue on the road journey. For a Jeep rent, I have provided the contact details of the driver in the description box below. Please find that details. If you did not book, you can check with the homestay owner or wherever you stayed. Also, you can check at Kalasa town as well as Horanadu. There you will find the Jeep for rent. Another option is on the main road Sringeri. You will find another hotel and homestay, that is a Horanadu Height. You can inquire about the Jeep as well at that location. So let's continue the further. If you like the content, please click on like button and subscribe to my channel. This will help me to bring the similar content. Thank you very much. Please enjoy the rest of the content.
In the wildest dream I'd see you again. Never dreamed about nothing else other than you. I always thought I'd be waiting in vain, but suddenly there you were. Never thought it'd be easy to feel you in my arms, but now we're here and I'm all in. By you, 'cause I can stay till the morning or stay till the dawn, but just hold me now. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so much better whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Yeah, yeah, whenever you're around, whenever you're around. Is it too late to feel you? Is it too late to tell you about how much I'm sorry for the things I have done, for the things I never did? But I promise, dear, I'll never let you go. So don't let go, get close to me. Oh, don't let go, get close to me. Waiting for you, I know your body's been waiting too. I wanna be so much better whenever you're around. I wanna say something clever to get in your mind, 'cause right now we're not together and I lose my way then. Oh, I feel so